Ever wondered how to set up a new account or connect an existing one? Well, here's an easy step-by-step guide to help you navigate through the process with ease. First things first, initiate the process by clicking the button that says Set up a new account. This directs you to a new page. Here you'll see an option that reads Continue. Click on it. Next, you'll find a button that reads Get Started. Click on it. Do you have a Facebook business account with the same business name and a business website? Great, you'll need that. Select your business's country of operation. This is a crucial step in setting up your account. Once done, click on Next. Now you're required to enter some details. Key in your business account name, display name, time zone, category, and a brief description of your business. Remember to submit your website URL to proceed to the next phase. Next, provide a phone number that is not linked to any existing WhatsApp account. This is essential for the verification process. Don't worry, this is a one-time process. Once you've entered the phone number, you'll receive an OTP. Enter this OTP to proceed with the verification. After this, click Continue. Almost there. Now click on Finish. You'll be directed to a new page. Here, click on Select. Now it's time to hit the Activate button. This action will activate your number. Look for a Connected badge. This badge confirms the success of your action. Finally, press the Subscribe button. This action unlocks the full capability of sending and receiving messages via WhatsApp Cloud API. And there you go. You've successfully set up a new account or connected an existing one. This process may seem daunting at first, but with these clear, easy-to-follow steps, you'll find it's a breeze. Remember, whether you're setting up a new account or connecting an existing one, the key lies in following these steps meticulously. So, go ahead and give it a try.